Good morning, today is Monday, the unfortunate last day of the project. Currently I'm here with Luca and we're... Say hello again,
Hello.
Hello. We came to get coffee because the instant coffee at the hotel is finished and there's only decaffeinated coffee left, which I don't really want to take. So we just came to the cafeteria to get some real coffee.
Are you ready for more pasta?
Yeah. For the last time.
Name games? Anyone?
No.
No? Okay. Energizers? Anyone?
Yes.
Okay, you can do one.
So basically we're going to show our house, okay? And you have to do like me. Okay, so we're gonna do like this. We're gonna start slowly. I have a house. Like this, like this. I knock on the door. Like this, like this. The smoke goes up the chimney. Like this, like this. I have a house. Like this, like this. I knock on the door.
Like this, like this.
The smoke goes up the chimney. Like this, like this, like this. I have a house. Like this, like this. I knock on the door. Like this, like this. The smoke goes up the chimney. Like this, like this, like this. I have a house. Like this.
Youth exchange on what? About what? Healthy relationships. Relations.
Our action will be based on workshops, teaching about contraceptive methods, ethical sex, STDs, personal hygiene, genital hygiene and health, consent, and emotional therapy and support for teen moms in the workplace.
Okay, so this would be like local activities, working with the local community. So I'm going to kindly ask, although we had 50 pens here, we have only 10 now. So I will kindly ask you to procure a page like this, a piece of paper from here, and something to write with, because we have a very important moment coming up. Please, take a piece of paper. Hold a piece of paper like this, and then fold it in half like this. It's really important. Careful when handling it so you don't get cut. It's a dangerous thing. Yeah. Then, to make it even more complicated, after you did like this, careful, do it like this. And now you have this. Okay? If you need any help, let me know so I can assist you.
Here we have people
A bit of distance between you guys.
trying to recognize their own handwriting.
Yeah.
Julian is very confused about his own handwriting. The art. The artist. They got pizzas and us vegans we're gonna eat later on because the people at the pizza place forgot to remove cheese from some of them. And look at this lactose intolerant guy with quattro formaggi on his face. Iwa, alla khayta. Hiya. Vicky. Slay.
Yeah, we're making him hairstyle. The queen.
Vegan food, precious. Yes. Yes. Raw foods is. Yes. Precious.
Hiya. Ingonya abda fuq hija, but Ingonya ma hingona ma. Ingonya ma hingona ma. Simba. Sa fuq. Fuq.
Kiklu l-vegans.
This is sadly the last time that we're going to come to... There's someone here. We were kicked off for like the 100th time this week, so we had to come to the public area of the beach. I know they cannot be seen like really clearly on camera, but there's like a string of kites going all the way up. Wait, oh, I lost focus. Anyways, you can sort of see them going up all the way till here. This ice cream shop has been feeding us for the last week, and we're very grateful for it. They have lots of sorbets, and what's more is that they're very fresh, so you can just like that. Natalia just gave us a scare that we got lice in the hotel room. And tell them what you told me. Tell them again.
Which part? That you don't have to worry.
Because I don't have any hair. Hello. So right now I'm cleaning the sink. Wait. Whoops. Fail. Like that. Because we have to clean up after us, basically. Yeah, there's a bit of a mess. Here we have all the sand we've collected in this week. Like half of the beach.
The first thing that pops into mind when I read this name, interesting. I'm gonna give it 3 tries. It's about who? Interesting person, a bit quiet, and could have shared a lot more. Because that person knows a lot more.
Christopher wasn't.
Okay, that's one. Sarah, no? Patricia. You're right, Patricia.
Woo!
This is great.
Yeah.
So it's
Maltese.
first.
Maltese.
No.
It's Charles.
Charles.
Cesar.
Cesar.
Charles!
This is a person from a team who can wash dishes very, very good. And quite of a smart guy. And I'm a bit envious of his jawline.
Andrea. Right now we are on our way to the bus stop in a sad manner this time because Anastasia is leaving earlier. It's like 9 o'clock on Monday.
Basically reverse as was the previous.
Yes, the previous time we left early.
And we
but
left
now
the last ones.
Anastasia had to leave, but just like last time, she was there when we left, so I'm going there when she's leaving.
Consent.
Why is it spicy?
We're all leaving. It's not late today. It's like 12:37, but these guys have to be out by 4 o'clock. So like in 3 hours. The Maltese have to be ready by 7:20 to leave. So I'm gonna end the vlog here today because we're very tired. It's very cold, and yeah, we have to wake up maybe a bit okay tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.